back for another episode. Today we're going to be installing test pipes on Mr. Hayden's 350Z. I say we don't quite remember what brand of test pipes they were, and so we're going to just post that down in the description below so that you guys can also order them if you like how they sound or turned out. So let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so we have to remove this little bracket right here, and then you'll have to remove the rest of the exhaust, which we've already done. And then, as you can see where they've got it, you gotta do this on both sides to be able to do that delete, and so they're working on getting both of these off, and then we're back.
We're working on this 350Z right now, and there's a couple things you want to know just to sort of, get the downpipes off. So first, you're gonna want a, pretty good lengthy extension. What is this, 20 inch?
24 inch.
Oh, 24 inch. And then you can use a standard wrench, but we've got my big old dugga right here. So you're gonna want to pop off your air box and everything, and you're gonna want to come in, and then you should be able to sort of squeeze through here, and that's gonna be able to get the very bottom corner one on the driver's side, and that's gonna be the most difficult one out of all of them. Then up top, it's pretty easy, same thing, and you can pretty much be dead on. Then the hardest one is going to be just getting it from down there, which I'll probably hand this off to those guys. So same thing with this side. It's a little bit easier just because you don't have to deal with the steering rack. So you can just come in from an angle right here. You add that bottom one up a little bit, and then you can get the top and you're good to go.
Oh, we got this off the cat, so you have to do two of the bolts from the top and one of them from the underside, and this thing comes right off. Okay guys, so we have this all ready. We got the O2 in there. Make sure to get you guys an O2 thing. That did take a lot of torque to get that O2 sensor off, but we got it, and so it fits perfectly. Then make sure to set up your bung just like this, and then it'll mount right up. So kit will end up coming with all new hardware, so don't worry about stripping the other studs, just get them off. And then this is a 16 millimeter to be able to put those back on, and these bolts will hold up a lot nicer than the other bolts that were in there. And so what we're doing right now is we're putting back on that Y pipe that we took off. So we've already got those pipes, the new pipes put in. Then we'll do a Y pipe back, and then we're going to be installing a stock GTR exhaust on this car. So she's all done, so we're going to have Hayden start her up. Look at that tippless booty. So we are going for a ride in the